Okay, so we're looking at one of the more straightforward topics here today. Convert these mixed numbers into improper fractions. Now, with this topic, all you need to remember is a few simple things. With a mixed number, you've obviously got a number next to it. So this one, for instance, is 2 1/5. Okay, so what we'll actually do is we'll write this one down in our book. 2 1/5. I think it was 6a. All right. Now, all you need to remember is this. When you're converting a mixed number to an improper fraction, you multiply the whole number by the denominator and then you add the numerator. Okay, so in this case, it becomes 2 times 5 plus 1. Okay, 2 times 5 is 10 plus 1 is 11. So your fraction ends up looking like this, 11 over 5. You do not change the denominator. The denominator stays the same, has to stay the same. So 2 times the denominator plus the numerator. Okay, let's have a look at J there, 6J. So 6J is 3 1/3. Once again, take the whole number, multiply the denominator, 3 times 3 is 9, and then add the numerator, which becomes 10. Okay, the denominator stays the same, 10 over 3. Okay, it's a bit of a wonky 3. All right, very straightforward, changing mixed numbers into improper fractions. Convert these improper fractions to mixed numbers in their simplest form. Well, now we just do the reverse. Okay, so let's have a look at D there, 8D. 8/6. Now, all we do is we find out how many denominators can go into our numerator. At the moment, we can see that, okay, I can take 6 away from 8 once. All right, so that means I have one whole number. And then you say, okay, well, how many numerators would be left? All right, well, in this instance, if I take 6 away from 8, I'm left with 2. All right, my denominator does not change. Okay, the denominator still does not change. This question also asks you to put it in its simplest form. So the simplest form of 2/6, we can divide both by 2, is 1 over 3. But don't forget your whole number. Your whole number must stay there. All right, let's do that one more time. So let's have a look at 8H. All right, 60 over 25. All right, now here, once again, how many times can 25 go into 60? Well, I know it can go in twice. All right, so 2. And how many are left over? Well, there's 10 left over. And the denominator stays the same. So we've just turned this into a proper fraction. All right, now we need to simplify. That's a 0, that's a 5. I know that they're both divisible by 5. 5 goes into 10 twice. All right, and 5 goes into 25 5 times. All right, so our answer there is 2 2/5. All right, let's have a look at a problem-solving question. 4 friends order 3 large pizzas for their dinner. Each pizza is cut into 8 equal slices. Simone has 3 slices. Isabel has 4 slices. Mark has 5 slices, and Alex has 3 slices. Question 8 is, how many pizza slices do they eat in total? Okay, so we need to have a look at how many slices they've all eaten. All right, we have a total of 3 pizzas. Okay, they're all cut into 8 slices. All right, so that means we have 3 holes. Okay, and into 8s, that means that we have 24 eighths. Okay, we have 24 slices of pizza that are cut into 8 pieces each. The pizzas are cut into 8 pieces each. So now we just need to look at how many each ate. So Simone, she ate 3 slices, so that is 3/8. Isabel, she ate 4 slices, that's 4/8. And Mark has 5 slices, so that's 5/8. And Alex had 3 slices, which is also 3/8. Alright, so I've just listed those ones down here so I can keep track of what I'm trying to do. And it says, how many pizza slices do they eat in total? Well, okay, that's pretty easy. We just add up. So 3 and 4 is 7, plus 5 is 12, plus 3 is 15. So they ate 15 slices of pizza. Now, this information from A is going to help us in the following questions. B is, how much pizza do they eat in total? Give your answer as a mixed number. Okay. This is where it's quite handy that we have this information. We know that they ate 15 slices of pizza. So the question is now, how much pizza do they eat in total? Okay, give your answer as a mixed number. We know that they ate 15 slices out of 8, okay, per pizza. So 8 goes into 15 once, all right? How many is left over? 7 is left over. So they ate 1 7/8 pizzas. Okay? Now, I'm not going to do question C and D. I'm going to let you have a go at that. But that's how you start this question. So you need to collect that information and then go from there.